Okay, so let me show you. Uh, PowerPoint is now visible to you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
See, 9s means 9's complement. Okay, 9s means 9's complement. 9's complement. It simply means that in a decimal system, what number we add, so it will give a 9 to us. Okay, and this complement is only applicable for negative number. Fine. Second important thing is that कि ये जो numbers हम ले रहे हैं, negative numbers हम ले रहे हैं, ये negative numbers मतलब हम इनको use तो कर रहे हैं और computer is not able to understand. Computer can only add and complement. Okay. इसके अलावा कुछ परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकता कंप्यूटर. सो हाउ डू वी परफॉर्म? कल आप लोगों को प्रॉब्लम क्या दी थी मैंने?
Sir, 139 minus 31.
139.
हाँ जी, minus 031.
Sir, 103 or 39.
Okay,
103
not an
minus
issue.
39.
I'm just, let us see this number only, not an issue. So because this is positive number, so no problem. Okay, it is remain 139. Now if we consider 9 as complement, then this number becomes, because the degree of number, what do you mean by degree of number? Degree of number is the maximum number of digit in this addition or subtraction. Okay, either A or B, दोनों में से जो भी maximum होगा, that will be the degree of number. So what we will add with 0, so it will give you a 9. So 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay. So 3 plus 6 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. So this is our 9's complement. Means if we add 31 to this number, it will give us 33. So there may be bad network quality. So let me turn off my video because of extreme weather condition. So am I audible now? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you are hardly audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
So yes,
Your voice is lagging a lot.
yeah, I know, because weather is extreme here this time. Okay, so this is visible to you, 139 and 968. 968 is the 9's complement of this number. So when we add together, if we subtract 3-digit number from a or 2-digit number from a 3-digit number, it will maximum produce 3-digit number, but the answer is coming in 4-digit. Okay, so let us add together. We need to add because computer can understand. Computer only understand addition and complement, and we need to go for subtraction. So now we create one 9's complement for the negative number, and this is 968. 9 plus 8, 17. Remainder is 1. 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 0, and remainder is 1. 9 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. So yeah, this is the answer. Okay, and whenever this extra bit is there, it shows that number is positive. Second thing, we need to add if a 9's complement is there. So we need to add this one, and this will be the 108, and it is our answer. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now come to second number. Just suppose it. I am talking about 9s. So here also I am using the 31 minus 139. So no complement is required for this number. So this is 31, but this is negative number. So initially we begin with 9's complement. So this number will become 8,
Excuse me, sir.
6. Yes.
Sir, I'm not able to see that slide. Only your
Yes,
picture is visible.
Sir, it is visible.
It is visible.
Maybe
Maybe
my
your network
problem.
condition is also very poor. Okay, okay. So because the recording is on, so don't worry. Now this is 9's complement. Okay, 9's complement is whatever we add, it will produce 999. To make it 10's complement, okay, to make it 10's complement, just add one number. Okay, just add 1 to this number. So what it will produce? 861. Okay, now add together, and this will 2, 9 and 8. No extra digit is there. Okay, it means the number is negative, and because the number is negative, we need to create 9's complement once again. Okay. Oh, uh, okay, whatever I had explained, please forget it, because I need to show in 9's complement only. So
Excuse me,
unnecessary
sir.
confusion. Yes.
Sir, your cursor is stopped. It's not moving anywhere.
Okay.
Same with me, sir.
Yes, sir.
It has stopped.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's the
Yes, sir.
problem, Aman.
Yes.
Let me check which network is available. This is oh,
Yeah.
Now it is visible.
So
Now-
now it's
sir.
visible.
अभी दिख रहा है.
Yes, sir. It's visible now.
now my cursor is visible.
No sir. आपका इरेजर रुका हुआ है. Sir.
So maybe your
Plus
internet
is
connection
there
is not.
or not? Plus is coming there or not?
So it is there but not
Okay.
So it's not
Sir,
moving.
the
Let
eraser
me
is
move my hotspot. Okay, let me check.
Sir, can you explain it again?
Yes.
Can you explain it again?
Yes, I can. Now is it visible to you? It is working or
No,
not?
sir.
No,
If it
sir.
is not,
It
No,
is
sir.
no.
No sir, it's not
So it's
working.
still
sir.
there. It's still on the arrow.
Share and share. Now it is working. It is visible to you.
No, sir.
And nothing
Everything
is
is fine.
No,
sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Let
Black
me check
screen आ गई.
one more thing. One more thing. Let me check. Give me a minute. Mm, Share. So if whiteboard is visible to you, then its recording will not available to you. Okay. I think it is not required. So if whiteboard is coming, wow, great.
Sir, it is
Who has
visible.
done this?
Don't know, sir.
सर रीड ओनली कर दो. हाँ.
यस, अब आप एडिट करके देखिए, है ना? ओके, सो ओपन इन ऐप. Just tell me when it is available to you or not. Okay, just give me a minute because it is opening one app. Is it visible to you?
Sir, only whiteboard is, yes, whiteboard is visible.
हाँ सर,
Yes,
व्हाइट
yes.
बोर्ड ही दिख रहा है.
It is, yes,
Whiteboard
sir,
ही
it is
दिख रहा है
visible.
ना?
Sir, try writing something.
हाँ, ये कुछ जो भी मैं एनोटेशन ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ ये विजिबल हो रहे हैं?
No, sir.
नहीं सर.
No sir.
No, sir.
सो हल्का सा वाइट वाइट कुछ आया तो था. ब्लैक सॉरी.
Yes. This
सर आज
whiteboard is not.
आज मन नहीं है सर टीम्स का.
हाँ, आज तो मन नहीं है, तुम्हारा रोज ही मन नहीं रहता होगा. आज
नहीं सर,
आज
हमारा
क्या है,
मन नहीं सर,
नेटवर्क.
आपके नेट का मन नहीं है सर.
हाँ सर, आपका
सर हम तो पूरे शिद्दत से पढ़ रहे हैं.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है करण कुमार, ग्रेट. ओके, so 139 is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
31
Yes, sir.
31 is visible to you.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. 31.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
My-
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it is good. Now what we need to do, जो नंबर हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है पॉजिटिव, उसको हमने एज इट इज लिखा, और जो नेगेटिव नंबर है उसका 9s कॉम्प्लीमेंट बनाया. ओके, सो 9s कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ दिस नंबर इज 8, 6 and 0. Agree or not? Now add this number together, it will give you 1, 9 and 8, and remainder is not there. जबकि fourth position is for remainder. If no remainder is there, it means the answer is negative. Okay, and whenever answer is negative, it means sign is there. So 9s complement you need to check. Okay, so what is the 9s complement of this number? This is 8, this is 0, and this is 1. So your answer is minus 108. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is the case of 9s complement. Okay, in 9s complement, if the number is like 139 minus 31, then the 9s complement of this number will be 139 plus 968, and add together 9, 8, 17, 3, 6, 9 and 110, and this is 11, and this extra number is actually 3 digit you must check. So this extra number will be added together and it will give you 108. Okay, so both the situation is correct. Now there may be question of 10s complement. So let us discuss 10s complement. 10s complement. 10s complement system is very simple. Whenever a number is coming in 9s complement, you just need to add 1. Okay, only 1, not 11, not 1111 or likewise. You need to add 1. So the same number 139 minus 31. Okay, so its 9s complement is 9, 6 and 8, and 10s complement will be 9, 6 9. Okay, so don't write 10s complement, or yes, you can write 10s complement, but because it shows that 968 is 10s complement, so better to represent in a right manner. So what is 9s complement? 9s complement is 968. Clear? Now, if you want to make it 10s complement, so just draw one branch here and write 10s complement. Okay, and add 1. So this will give you 10s complement correctly. Fine. This is your 9s complement. This is our 9s complement. This particular portion is 9s complement and added with 1. Then this will give you 969 and this is the 10s complement. Because 968 se aage, in forward direction, if I write 10s complement, then it has different meaning. Okay. So I am going to chalk out the 9s complement of 31 and again it is the 10s complement of 31. Now add it with 30, 139. So 139 plus 969 on, yes, 9918, 1. So this is 0 and this is 11. So it says that number is positive and answer is plus 108 directly. So this is very natural system. Okay. And that's why we prefer 10s complement in all scenario. So this is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the second portion, if the greater number is negative, okay. So number is 139 minus 31. Okay. So the 9s complement of this number is 860. Okay. And 10s complement of this number is, what is the 10s complement?
861.
861. And now add with 31. Okay. So this is 2, this is 9, and this is 0 is remainder. Okay. So now you need to calculate the right answer. So because this system we are following in 10s system, so just go for 9s first. So what is the answer? This is 8. No, not 8.
7.
7.
Yes. And add one more. For 10s, branch is color, wrong branch. For 10s, just add 1 to this number and it will give you 108. So this is your answer, negative answer, because this sign is there. So negative answer. Okay. So this is our way. When you are calculating using 9s, then answer can be calculated using 9s. If you are using 10s, then, and this is only applicable for negative number, for negative answer only, for negative answer only. Okay. So let me export this into PNG and post in the post. Yes, it is now available. So now ask your doubts. So whatever problem we have solved today is there in class material. Okay. So just open the class material and you can see the whiteboard.png file. So it will give you whatever I had done. Okay. Yes. Any doubt till now?
No, sir.
Now it's your turn to solve the problem. Simple problem. 64 minus 32 and 32 minus 64 using 9 as complement. So कौन इसको solve करेगा? Who will solve this problem? कोई नहीं solve कर पाएगा. Who will solve this
Sir,
problem?
ma'am. Sir, ma'am.
Sir, may I?
We have raised hand.
Sir, मैं करूँगी.
Nisha and Naman. So I am making Naman Vashishta presenter. Okay. Naman, now you can use this whiteboard and solve it.
Okay, sir. सर मैं बोल के कर लूं, मुझसे व्हाइट बोर्ड पे लिखा नहीं जाएगा.
अच्छा चलो तुम बोलते जाओ. पहली प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करवाओ.
यस सर. तो सर सबसे पहले 9s कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालना है. 64 माइनस 32. ओके.
64 लिखना है. 64 we need to put here or not?
No sir, first we have to do 99 minus 32. That will be 67.
Actually, don't say this statement. Okay. Why? Because whenever you are using word minus, it means you are violating the rules of computer. So you just say that we are calculating the complement of each number or each digit.
Sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So because and first thing is 64 is positive number, so no need to calculate the complement of 64. Now go for 32. So for 2, the 9s complement is
7.
67.
And for 3,
67.
6.
Now you need to add this number like this, and this boundary is very important. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir. It will be 1, 3, 1.
Now it is 9s complement. The solution is given in 9s complement. Answer is correct.
Yes, sir. 31 plus 1, sir. It will make 32.
नहीं वो तो डायरेक्ट देख के बता रहे हो तुम लोग के ह्यूरिस्टिक से. 1 कब ऐड करना है? जब 1 रिमाइंडर में बचे. If 1 is there in remainder, when we need to add 1? When remainder is 1. Okay. Beyond the number or beyond the degree of your number. So if this 1 is remaining there, then we need to add 1 only for 9s complement system. Okay, so this is 1 and the answer is 32. Positive. Why positive? Because this 1 says it is a positive. Now, second. 64, 31, 32 minus 64. Nisha,
Yes, sir.
yes, tell me.
So first we will find the 9s complement of 64.
No, first we put the positive number as it is. Yes. Step 2.
Now we will write the 9s complement of 64.
Yes. What is this?
35.
35. Okay. Next step.
Now we will add both the numbers.
Yes. What is the answer?
67.
Under.
Now remainder is 0.
Yes.
Now we will again find the 9s complement of 67.
Because this 0 is there in remainder position, so it says that the answer is negative.
Negative.
That's why we calculate the 9s complement. And what is this?
32.
And this is our desired answer.
Yes, sir.
Clear? MK. Who is MK?
Sir, me. Muskan Kapoor.
Muskan Kapoor. Yes. Now it's your turn for 10s complement. 64 minus 32.
I have to find.
Yes. Yes, tell me the steps.
Sir, let my whiteboard get loaded.
You want to
Wait.
use whiteboard?
No,
Okay.
sir.
So let
No, sir. Actually, it isn't visible. So I'm saying that let it get loaded because here also there are network issues because of weather conditions.
okay, fine.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So then come to some other fellow. Achal Gupta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me the steps.
Sir, first we write 64 as it is positive number.
Mhm.
Then we find out the 9s complement of 32.
Okay, so what
7.
is the 9s? Yes,
7.
7 and
We add 1 to it. 67 plus 1, 68. We'll
okay, great. So
we
plus 1 we add. So it will give us 10 complement. Now 68 is there and 64 is
then we add 64 to 68. And
okay.
there is 32 and 1 is remind. We show that it is positive number.
Okay, it shows that it is a positive number. Fine. And we need to add one.
No, sir.
Aman. Aman.
Hello? Hello, sir?
Yes. Yes. So whether we need to add one.
Yes, sir. 33 हो जाएगा
Okay.
sir.
And the answer is 33. Correct?
No, sir.
No. Or yes.
No, sir. No, sir. It's not correct.
Actually, 10s complement is natural system.
Yes, sir.
I had told you so many times that whenever we are using 10s complement, we have already added one with the 9s complemented number. Okay. So there is no need to add 1 in positive case. And if it is the answer is negative, then we need to calculate the 9s complement and followed by 10s complement. Okay. Why? Because if you are able to calculate directly the 9s 10s complement, then there is no need to add this 67 plus 1. You can directly write this number as suppose 10s. Okay, so you can directly write 68 if you have idea about this. So how do we calculate? Suppose a number is given like minus 90, and if you want to calculate its 10s complement, so yes, the Gula Uma Maheshwari, yes, fine. So when you want to calculate the 10s complement of this number, this is little bit difficult, but you can calculate the 9s complement. So what is the 9s complement of this number? 909. Okay. If you add 1 with this number, then it will become 10. So this is your 10s complement of 90. Suppose another number 89. 89 is given to you. 89 is given to you. Then you are easily able to understand 89 is given to you. What is the 10s complement of this number? So you know that 9 in place of 9 you write the 0, and in place of 8 you write 1. So this is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So this is your 10s. Just you need to add 1 only. Okay. So this will directly give you 10s complement. This is it is not required to find the 9s complement first and then add 1 to it. You directly write it as, but you must be very clear that how to write this. Okay.
But sir, in the exam, we
Yes.
should be showing now when we are calculating 9s complement, or we can directly write the 9s complement and add 1 to it to get 10s complement.
It depends on you. It depends on you. You can directly, because ultimate goal is to find the 10s complement. Okay. So this is not mathematics that you need to calculate the step by step, differentiate, then find the derivative of all the number. It is, you can directly do this.
Sure.
Yes. Any other doubt? So today our network connection was very bad, and one fellow, yes, yesterday I had taken name of G. Uma Mahesh. Who is that fellow? Ganta Uma Mahesh.
Sir, he is B section, sir.
He is in B section.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me remove him from here. Are you sure?
So,
Yes, sir.
as I
Okay.
know, he is in section.
Okay, fine. That's
I
why. Okay, not an issue. So I will remove from this meeting now. So for means I am giving you 2 or 3 problems, just solve it. And because it is self-understandable, okay, so you just need to solve 25 minus 75, all 4 variations, okay, all 4 variation 25 minus 25 plus 75. This is one problem. This is second problem. Up first variation is 9s, 9s. Then second variation is 10s and 10s. So you need to solve it and show me. And I will try to give you assignment as soon as possible. Okay. Any other question?
So we have to make notes about history of computer and introduction.
Already there in your post?
So do we have to write it in copy? Is there any marks for that, or we can start from C directly?
No, actually, I will give you an assignment very soon, okay? Maybe in a day or two, because I need to chalk out the right question for you, whether which question is important and which question covers all the syllabus. So you need to write answer with respect to these questions in your copy and scan it. And each and every page you need to write your roll number and name. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I think it is enough for today, and I'm very sorry on behalf of my internet that it is not working very well. Okay. So I'm also posting your attendance in this attendance. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice time. Have a nice internet connectivity. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.